everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be just demonstrating a simple beef stew, like a Grwel. So we're going to start with some offcuts of beef. Now this is quite nice beef, but there would have been a lot of fat in there and all the little bits and pieces left on the bones. They have to be picked over the bones, and you get all the nice little bits and pieces of beef. So I'm just going to make a bit of a noise because I'm going to chop this up quite fine. Now we want it quite fine, a bit like sort of a ground beef. So you can see I'm just turning it over. Getting through all those fatty bits as well because we want it nice and fine. It's going to be quite more of a soup mixture. Now I'm using two sort of cleaver type knives here, so we can get a bit of a rhythm going and more economical to get it done quicker rather than trying to do it with just one knife. Okay, that's pretty well done. So just put those away on one side because they're really sharp. So you can see that's quite nicely fined ground beef. So I'm going to pop it in the pan. The pan's already hot with the oil in there. Put that on there. Just a bit of a stir.
All right.
Okay. So I'm just going to move the camera over so you can see the fire as well. So there you go. You can now see the fire. We've got on the fire here. We've got just a pan, quite a big pan. Now it's a lovely hot pan, so that beef is cooked, browned already. So now to that I'm going to add some beef stock. So what I've done here is boiled up the bones and got all the little bits of meat off there and the flavour from the bones as well. So I'm just going to pour some of this in. Okay, and the other thing I'm going to add to this is just some oats. Now this is going to make a nice thick gravy with the beef in there as well. So I'm just going to pour that in there as well. Sprinkle those in. Out of the way. Bit of a smoky fire this afternoon. Now that's just going to come to the boil now. So the other ingredients we're going to add some salt and some pepper, just to bring out that lovely flavour. Sprinkling the salt, not too much pepper. I want to overpower it with the peppery taste. There we go, a little bit of pepper in there. Now to add a little bit of extra flavour, I've got some herbs here. I've got some sage and some parsley that's been freshly picked this morning. So I'm just going to chop this up. Now for this I'm using my little curved knife, which makes it nice and easy to chop. Chop those up quite fine because we want it all to mix together. Excuse me. So again, it's a really sharp blade. Try to keep your knives as sharp as possible. It means they do the trick that you need, to do the job that you need them to do. So that's about 2 teaspoons of parsley there, and a teaspoon of sage. About three largest leaves of sage there. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can use dried. Just use a little bit more. So there we go. That's those chopped up. I'm just going to put those in there as well. That's boiling away nicely already. This is quite a simple meal and simple dish, and it doesn't take very long to cook either. So we're just going to give that a stir. So that's boiling away nicely now. Now this would be served in a bowl or on the base of your bread, as we've spoken about before, with using the bottom crust of your bread as a trencher. So this would be lovely, poured into the bottom of your bread, your trencher, and really tasty with the bread as well. Nice and filling as well, with those oats in there to fill it up. So we're just going to leave that simmering just for a little while. Now we also did the horse bread on the last demonstration, and this could be quite nice with some of the horse bread to dip in and that lovely gravy and the sauce there. So as I say, we fried the beef off first, so that's cooked already, because it was really finely chopped up, so it didn't take long to cook at all. Now that's getting lovely and thick in there already, so we're just going to leave that to simmer just for a moment longer. Or I'm just going to plate. Now I'm not going to serve this on a bread trencher today. I'm just going to serve it in a bowl. So just got a little bowl here. Now that's thickened up. That is really thick. The water has soaked into those oats and made a lovely, lovely thick stew there. Right, let's dish some of this up now. Okay, I'm just going to get a spoon and just give this a little try. That is very tasty. That is a very tasty stew there. And you can see, because it's steaming away beautifully there, but that's the gravy is thickened up really nicely. The beef is nicely cooked. It's not chewy at all, and it's got a really rich taste. That's really lovely. So there you go. That's our beef gruel. I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to seeing you again soon.